In the pursuit of operational excellence, manufacturers are increasingly turning to actual costing data as a critical enabler of lean manufacturing principles and continuous improvement initiatives. By gaining a granular understanding of the true costs associated with their production processes, organizations can identify and eliminate waste, optimize workflows, and enhance overall efficiency. The role of actual costing in lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing, a philosophy centered on the relentless elimination of waste, is heavily dependent on the availability of accurate and timely cost information. Traditional standard costing approaches, with their reliance on predetermined estimates and broad allocation methodologies, often fall short in providing the necessary insights to support lean initiatives. In contrast, actual costing data can serve as a powerful tool in the lean manufacturing arsenal, enabling organizations to identify and eliminate waste. The detailed cost data provided by actual costing can help pinpoint areas of waste, whether it's excessive material consumption, inefficient labor utilization, or suboptimal equipment usage. This information can then be used to implement targeted improvements and eliminate non-value added activities. Optimize processes and workflows. By understanding the true costs associated with each step of the manufacturing process, organizations can make informed decisions about process improvement, workflow redesigns, and the adoption of lean methodologies such as just-in-time production, Kanban systems, and total productive maintenance. Enhance equipment utilization. Actual costing data can shed light on the true costs of equipment operation, including maintenance, energy consumption, and downtime. This information can guide decisions about equipment upgrades, preventive maintenance schedules, and the implementation of predictive analytics to optimize asset utilization. Improve supply chain efficiency. Actual costing data can be used to evaluate the true cost of working with various suppliers, enabling organizations to identify and address inefficiencies in the supply chain, such as excessive transportation costs or suboptimal inventory management practices. Align lean initiatives with financial performance by integrating actual costing data into their lean manufacturing strategies. Organizations can ensure that their improvement efforts are directly linked to enhanced financial performance, such as increased profitability, reduced working capital, and improved cash flow. Implementing actual costing to support lean manufacturing. To effectively leverage actual costing data in support of lean manufacturing and continuous improvement initiatives, organizations should consider the following key steps. Establish a comprehensive actual costing system. Ensure that the organization has a robust and accurate actual costing system in place, capable of capturing and reporting real-time cost data at a granular level. Integrate actual costing with lean manufacturing processes. Seamlessly integrate the actual costing data with the organization's lean manufacturing software, production management systems, and other operational tools to enable the continuous flow of cost information into the improvement process. Develop lean-focused cost accounting methodologies. Adopt advanced costing methodologies, such as activity-based costing or time-driven activity-based costing, to more accurately assign indirect and overhead costs to specific production activities, enabling a deeper understanding of the true costs of lean initiatives. Empower cross-functional collaboration. Foster collaboration between the finance, accounting, operations, and engineering teams to ensure that the actual costing data is properly interpreted, aligned with lean objectives, and effectively utilized in decision-making and problem-solving. Implement data analytics and visualization tools. Leverage data analytics and visualization software to transform the actual costing data into actionable insights, enabling the identification of cost-saving opportunities, the optimization of lean processes, and the monitoring of continuous improvement initiatives. Establish performance measurement and incentive structures. Align the organization's performance measurement and incentive systems with the actual costing-based lean manufacturing objectives, ensuring that employees at all levels are motivated to actively participate in and contribute to the continuous improvement efforts. Continuously monitor and refine the integrated system. Regularly review and update the integration of actual costing with lean manufacturing processes. Identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to ensure the ongoing effectiveness and relevance of the system. Case study: integrating actual costing and lean in a discrete manufacturer. ABC Manufacturing, a leading producer of industrial equipment, have long embraced lean manufacturing principles but struggle to fully integrate its actual costing data into the improvement process. The company decided to embark on a comprehensive initiative to align its actual costing system with its lean manufacturing strategies. By establishing a centralized actual costing platform that seamlessly interfaced with the company's production management system, ABC Manufacturing was able to gain real-time visibility into the true costs associated with each step of its manufacturing workflows. This granular cost data allowed the organization to identify and eliminate waste. ABC Manufacturing used the actual costing insights to pinpoint areas of excessive material waste, inefficient labor utilization, and underperforming equipment, This enabled the implementation of targeted Kaizen events and the elimination of non-value added activities, resulting in a 17% reduction in overall manufacturing costs. Optimized production processes, the integration of actual costing with lean manufacturing tools, such as value stream mapping and process simulation, allowed ABC Manufacturing to redesign its production workflows, implement just-in-time production, and enhance overall equipment effectiveness, leading to a 12% improvement in on-time delivery and a 9% increase in throughput. Enhance supply chain efficiency by evaluating the true costs of working with various suppliers. ABC Manufacturing was able to renegotiate contracts, consolidate the supply base, and implement Kanban systems, resulting in a 15% reduction in inventory-related carrying costs. Align lean initiatives with financial performance. The ability to directly link the actual costing data to the financial impact of the company's lean manufacturing initiatives enabled ABC Manufacturing to secure greater executive-level support and investment in the continuous improvement program, ultimately contributing to a 14% increase in the company's overall profitability. The success of this initiative was largely attributable to the strong collaboration between the finance, accounting, operations, and engineering teams at ABC Manufacturing. By fostering a shared understanding of the value of integrating actual costing with lean manufacturing, the company was able to overcome cultural and technological challenges and unlock the full potential of this strategic integration. Overcoming challenges in integrating actual costing and lean manufacturing. While the benefits of integrating actual costing data into lean manufacturing and continuous improvement initiatives are substantial, organizations may face several challenges in implementing and maintaining an effective system. Data integration and interoperability, ensuring seamless data integration between the actual costing system, the lean manufacturing software, and other operational systems can be a complex and resource-intensive endeavor. Data quality and governance, maintaining the accuracy, completeness, and reliability of the actual cost data used in lean manufacturing decisions is crucial but can be challenging, especially as the volume and sources of data increase. Talent and skill development, effectively leveraging the integration of actual costing and lean manufacturing requires specialized skills in cost accounting, data analytics, process improvement, and change management. Upskilling the existing workforce or attracting the necessary talent can be a significant challenge. Change management and cultural adoption, transitioning from traditional cost accounting practices to a more data-driven, actual costing-based approach to lean manufacturing may face resistance from employees accustomed to the old methods. Effective change management and a focus on fostering a culture of continuous improvement are crucial. Alignment with strategic objectives, ensuring that the integration of actual costing and lean manufacturing initiatives is closely aligned with the organization's overall strategic goals and priorities is essential for maximizing the impact of the improvements. To overcome these challenges, organizations must take a comprehensive and strategic approach to the integration of actual costing and lean manufacturing. This may involve the development of robust data management strategies, the investment in cross-functional training and talent development programs, and the implementation of effective change management protocols. Conclusion: the integration of actual costing data with lean manufacturing principles and continuous improvement initiatives is a powerful synergy that can drive significant operational and financial benefits for organizations. By leveraging the granular cost insights provided by actual costing, manufacturers can identify and eliminate waste, optimize processes, and enhance overall efficiency, ultimately contributing to improved profitability, increased competitiveness, and long-term sustainability. As businesses navigate the complexities of the modern manufacturing landscape, the strategic role of actual costing in supporting lean initiatives will only become more crucial. By embracing this integrated approach and overcoming the associated challenges, organizations can position themselves for long-term success and maintain a leading edge in their respective industries.